First, make sure you take out the SIM tray anyway.
Galaxy A12. Broken screen. Not sure the model. Something blew up. Slowly but surely. Make sure you take out the SIM tray, of course, when you're doing this. That's the side I usually start at, because it's easier to stick something under. And never stick anything in here because you might damage the buttons. And be careful when you open, there's that. But you can easily disconnect it from the board, like voila, as the French would say. Oh yeah, the model number will be on this. Whoa. No, that is weird. I don't know if you can see this. The model number is A03. This is a Galaxy A12. A032F. That's the wrong model number for this phone. So I don't know whether to use a 125F screen or 127F screen. Mysteries. Mysteriously. It's actually a very easy repair, pretty straightforward. Difficulty level on the repair out of 5, I would rate this at no more than 2. And 2 is being generous. It's so easy. Lights just flashed. No, actually, before I go ahead and take this screen off, I make sure I have either 125 or 12F screen fits this. It should, no problem. It's just strange having A03 instead of A125 or 127F. We'll try a 127F. There's a 125F screen. They're the actual Galaxy A12 screens. A127F and A125F. So how in the world is this Galaxy A12 have an A03? That's, I don't know. Yeah, SMA127F. Now, let's make sure this fits. Okay, it went on nicely. That's good too. Now you could just use tweezers to power it on, but you look. Oh, it's coming on anyway. We're just gonna have to test the screen, make sure it works, and then put it all together. Glue the screen in, take the old one out first, of course. So I'm gonna use an A127F screen for this one. Oh, nearly dropped the other one. Christ almighty. Lost berry. Good old pineapple. I hate these phones, they take so long to turn on. That pineapple is so nice. Come on, phone. Pineapple and tea. Jesus. And this phone's slower than me. And then ons then. Oh no, optimizing apps, Jesus. She a difficult phone. No, come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Work ya batty boy. Oh my god, I couldn't have a phone like that. Hey, 0404, the customer said. Phone is starting. Starting. Okay, it looks good. It looks good. What I like to do is hold an app and move around the screen to make sure it doesn't drop anywhere. And that would be my test. Lovely jubbly. That's it. Bob's your uncle. Screen works. Now we go and pull the old screen out. I don't care about the screen anymore, so I don't mind about damaging the LCD or anything. Just heat it up a little and rip it out. Destruction. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more of repair videos. Anytime I get a phone in, I can put on more of them. Because I do fix maybe 10 phones a day, sometimes more, sometimes less. So I can start putting them all up if you're actually watching these videos and enjoying them. If you find them helpful, please subscribe. Now just slowly but surely peel that open so you can stick your tool under there. I might have to give it a little bit more heat. I'm being too careful with the screen. That should do it. Oh yeah, much better. Make sure you get it under the LCD and rip this motherfucker off. Be careful going in under the camera to not to damage it. Now, there's my toothbrush. Get the old earwax, lovely earwax out of that. And now, may the cleansing begin. Make sure you get all the old glue off it. You can make the edges a little bit rougher for the new glue to stick better to it. Wonderful. See me removing the whole layer of the glue. You gotta make sure all that glue is gone. There we go. Getting there. Always be careful working around the camera here. If you're not too confident, if it's your first time doing it, I recommend take that front camera out. It's really easy, just like that, and it's out. This is almost done. Now we'll glue in the new screen. Boom. And brush it up a little bit. Lovely. Clean up my work desk a little bit. Now, take out your B7000. First of all, I'm going to make sure the screen is a perfect fit, which it is. Wonderful. Kaya's not here today. I fired Kaya. He ain't going to no customer service desk. Now, don't overuse it. Just make sure the corners are perfect. Just in the edges. I hope you all can see this. Oopsies, we lost track a little bit. Now, that's that. Oh, actually, let's remove this and pull that. I like to pull it up a little bit so make sure it reaches the board. Bend that one back. Don't break it. Make sure it sits in perfectly in each corner. Dun, 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 dun. And now I will quickly put it back together as fast as I can. Don't forget to put the camera back in if you have taken it out. Now screws back in.